Hello everyone, friends, on the Valor channel. Today I will show you the best and free PDF editor, respectively, for PC. Well, online, by the way. It can be used from the phone. It's called PDF Gear. Here, you can download it for Windows. Well, let me show you how it works in a browser. So let's say a sample. Go to the browser, select the PDF file you want to edit, and accordingly, now you can work with it as you need and edit it as well. Here is the text. Oh, and everything else can also be edited here. Click Edit, and from here you can download it. Also, and the most interesting thing is that the downloaded version has optical text recognition. That is, you can even edit the text that is directly on the page. Yes, that is, the web version has a little, so to speak, already functionality. That's it. And accordingly, after which you can, well, you can add everything here, yes, and suggestions and images. After you have completed, respectively, your edits, you can download a ready-made PDF file absolutely free of charge. That's all. Valor was with you. Goodbye, everyone.